Hello, welcome back to Side Hustle with Mo. I am Mo and I hope you're doing good. So, I am going to be sharing what I found or what I've been using and it's been effective for me over a period of time. I'm going to be sharing how you can pay your rent, your mortgage, or any loan, not particularly, maybe not loans, but any huge debts that you have with a high interest rate, how you can make those payments with your credit card. So, again, I'm going to be telling you how you can make your mortgage, your car notes, your rent payments using a credit card. So, a while back, a couple of months ago, I started to research and I was wondering how can I use my credit card to pay certain bills without the very high interest rates and all the fees and all that. So, what I have found is when you have a credit card, check for something called balance transfer. Right now, a lot of credit cards are offering interest free balance transfer. So that means you can move your bills from a particular bank. For example, let's go with your mortgage, for example. You can use your credit card to pay your mortgage by doing a balance transfer, right? It's usually 0% interest rate for a certain period of time. So, like a 0% APR. It's usually a promotional period. So, it could be 18 months, it could be 12 months, and you can pay up to your credit card limit. So, for example, if you have a credit card that goes up to $5,000, you can do $5,000 of balance transfer. So again, it's a 0% interest rate for a certain number of time, typically 12 to 18 months. So what that means is if your rent is 1,500 a month, for example, you can pay 3 months, that gives you 4,500 using your credit card. And for the next 3 months, you don't have to worry about making a credit card, your bank, your mortgage payment or your rent payments and all that. I mean, this is something that sometimes, I mean, we all fall on hard times. Times are hard, right? People are losing their jobs and all of that. But if you have a good credit card that offers you balance transfer, you want to check and see if there's balance transfer. You can do that. I've been able to use this to make 6 months of payments in the past, and it works. You go into your bank. Sometimes they send you a mail. It's a check. You use that to pay your whoever you're owing money to, the company you're owing money to, or you can do it through your app or through the online platform. Usually, there is a one time fee. It's a one time transfer fee. It could be from 3% to 5%. If you're able to get 3%, even better for you. Again, it's a one time fee. So now you are loaning money from the bank. It's through your credit card. But instead of paying the 20 something percent interest rates that you get, assuming you are going to take a personal loan, interest rates are about 20 something percent right now. So you're getting that money for a fraction of the cost, which is a 3% to 4 or 5% transfer fee one time. That's it. For the duration of the other months, if it's a 10-month promotional period or a 1 year promotional period, you don't pay any other fees on what you owe. So it's way better than going to take a personal loan or going to those loan shark companies or even doing a cash advance. I would never advise you to do a cash advance. The interests on that are ridiculous. But if you go through this balance transfer method using your credit card, you can get up to tens of thousands of dollars. Again, it depends on your credit card limit. So if you have a credit card that goes as high as $20,000, that is $20,000 you can borrow at 3% interest rate, one time fee, 3%, and that's it. Now, the trick is that you have to make your full payment within that promotional period. So if they're giving you a 10-month promotional period and you borrow $5,000, I would say divide that by 10 and know how you're going to be repaying every month. Make sure that you pay back what you borrow within that promotional period. If you have an 18-month promotional period, do the same thing. Just spread your payments, or if you work better doing lump sums, do that. Whatever works for you. The point is make a plan to pay off the money you loan, the money you transfer. Make a plan to make that money and the transfer fee within the promotional period, and you will be good. If you don't do that, then interest starts to accrue at the 20 something percent rate after the promotional period. So if you are really smart and good with your finances, this is something you find very useful. I've used it to pay off high interest rates, right? Whenever I have an interest rate that's what 6%, I even have a loan that my interest rate came in at 7.5%. I have done this because I've done a balance transfer from my credit card at 3% for 18 months. So I had 18 months to pay back at no interest rate. So I was able to save a lot more than if I had just stayed with the 7% loan that I had. So I've also used it for mortgage payments. So you can use it for mortgage payments. The good thing is if you do extra payments, you can call your bank and tell them that the extra payments, one, you can have them refunded to you. They can send you a check, or you can have them apply to subsequent payments, subsequent months. So whatever works for you. But either ways, this is a simple, easy way for you to pull out cash, actual cash from your credit card without incurring the super high interest rates that we have going on right now. So let me try this. Let me know if it works for you. If you have other tips you can share, go ahead. If you haven't subscribed, please like, share, subscribe, and put your comments, put your thoughts in the comment section. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.